You're listening to the Voice of Knowledge podcast, where knowledge finds its own voice and speaks for its true value. But it's through real, everyday actions that you can bring knowledge to life. So tune in to learn, to create new value, and to share knowledge with others.
This special mini-series explores strategic designing and alignment for the human-centered organization. Across these episodes, we dive into real challenges, transformative stories, and practical frameworks, all designed to help you reimagine strategy in the age of AI and modular thinking. Whether you're an SMEs business leader, an HR professional, or a passionate learner, you'll find new ways to align people, purpose, and value at every level of your organization. Let's embark on this journey together to design strategy that's alive, adaptive, and truly centered around people. Now, let's get started.
Have you ever been assigned a major project, like launching a new product, designing a new service for a fast-changing market, or leading an ambitious internal training program, and found yourself stuck at the very first step? In today's world of volatility and rapid change, the old approach, writing a fixed, step-by-step master plan, just doesn't work anymore. The most successful organizations now ask, how can we break things down, test fast, and keep adapting without being locked into rigid structures? Here's what I've learned working with leaders and teams. Linear, one-size-fits-all thinking is out. Modular thinking is in. Break your system down into small, flexible modules. Test, learn, adjust continuously. Reorganize and evolve as conditions change. This isn't just theory. Let's dive into 3 powerful real-world stories: Lego, McDonald's, and Google. Story 1. Lego, modularization for creative comeback. In the early 2000s, Lego was in crisis. Instead of scrapping everything, they returned to their modular DNA. Every brick, every set, every process, from production to customer experience, became modular. The results? Modular product rate rose from 23% to 61%. 22% reduction in logistics costs. Lego reinvented itself as a global creative education brand. Story 2. McDonald's. Modularization for global scale and consistency. Facing the challenge how to scale globally without losing quality or consistency. Solution: modularize the entire operation. Kitchens divided into independent stations, customizable customer experience, store models built from interchangeable modules. The results? New stores open in just 72 hours. Strong local customization with global standards. Presence in over 100 countries, always consistent. Story 3. Google, modularizing learning for scalable growth. Traditional training was outdated and fragmented. Google redesigned everything. Each skill became a standalone module: data, AI, UX, digital support, delivered via Coursera, Grow with Google. The results? 1 million plus learners certified in 18 months. The model became a global benchmark for modern workforce education. Key insight: none of these organizations started over from scratch. They modularized what they already had, then redesigned for agility, evolution, and scale. If you're building strategy, try this. Identify a small module in your current work or project that can be separated, tested, or redesigned. Ask yourself, is your current structure limiting your team's creativity or speed? Which part could become a module to test and adapt more flexibly? Take action. Start with the smallest testable module. Run an experiment. Improve, and then scale what works. Strategy doesn't need to be grand from the start. You just need to begin with one small, testable module, good enough to scale. If you spot a module in your work that could be redesigned, try it out. Because sometimes these small steps spark a whole new game for your organization.